Hello, good morning grade 4 student. Welcome to science class. Today our topic is about force, work and energy. So let's open your book Science Nature 4, page 76. Okay, you ready? On the slide, here is the application of the force that can result in several outcomes. The windmill, the weathercock, the car, and the hammer. The windmill, example. In the lab, we have some windmill that can produce the light, the electricity. Turn on the electricity to this lamp. So the wind force the propeller to turn around and then give energy and then store in the generator that can produce the light or electricity energy. Have a look to this lamp. It will turn on or not. I will give some force, the wind force, to this propeller. Have a look. 1, 2, 3. Is it on? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The light is turned on, right? We apply the wind force to the propeller and then change to the light energy. Yeah. Weathercock. Here is the weathercock. This is also the force that comes by the wind. The wind force the weathercock to show the direction to the north, to the west, to the south, or to the east. So it will show the wind direction. The car. The tire of the car. The tire of the car gives the frictional force that can stop the car or slowing down the car. We call it frictional force on the tire. Hammer. People usually use hammer to push in the nail or to pull out the nail. People give muscular force to the hammer. Let's go to other texts. Student, you already know about the force. You already learned that the definition of the force is push or pull. But force comes in many ways. There are some way of the force that can apply is to stop, to move, or to change the direction. To move. Example. I give this thing roll down on the box. I give a force. It's rolling. Yeah. So I give the force to move. How about in other way? To stop. Here is the example. I throw it to up. I catch this ball. That means I give the force to this ball to stop. Make it stuck on my hands. While when I throw this ball up, that means I give the force to this resting object. What is resting object? Resting object is mean doesn't move, yeah, from the stuck motion to move. I give the muscular force to this resting object to move. When I catch it again, I also give the muscular force to this object to stop. So the force can help us in many ways, to stop the thing, to move the thing, and to change the direction. For example, if you kick the ball, yeah, to the goal when you were playing the soccer ball, that means you will give the force to the ball and then change the direction, yeah, you will point it to the goal, so you will get the score, right? So force help us to stop, to move, and to change the direction. Is that clear enough? Type of the force. Example, I rub my hands. A force that apply in surface, in a contact of surface, we call it frictional force. Just like the tire and the road. The tire and the road. Two surfaces contact each other, like you rub your hands, like the tire and the road, yeah, when the car is moving, of course, yeah. So it gives the frictional force. If the road is smooth, then the car will go faster. But if the road is rough enough, kasar permukaannya, you can guess that the car will slow down speed, yeah, because it doesn't easy to move on the rough surface, right? Example, just like before, I give force to this thing to move on the box. And I give another surface rolling down on the ceramic table. If you see the ceramic table is smooth rather than the box is rough, yeah, let's have a look. With the same power that I apply to this thing, have a look how fast it goes. Yeah. With the same type of my power. If you compare, then the force